Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to share contact with friends on Skype app on Android device. Well, knowing how to share contacts on Skype can be handy for quickly exchanging information with friends or colleagues. It lets you seamlessly share contact details without having to manually type them out, saving time and effort. So let's go to the tutorial. Okay, first thing first, go ahead and open Skype app on your device. Well, so here you can select the contact you will share to your friend. Okay, after that click the profile and you can choose share contact option. Okay, after that click send button beside the recipient. When finished, click done here. Well, that's the tutorial on how to share contact with friends on Skype app on Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.